Honestly, guys, this hair is so beautiful. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Where's the lace, child? Like, actually, let me just call my niece. Like, no, no way. No, she has to see this. Please answer. Answer.
Yes, is that your real hair?
Yes, child. Look at that. Look at the lace, child. Look at that. Like, show me the lace. Where is the lace even?
Stunning.
Serious.
Oh my word, I need me that hair.
Yes, child. I'm definitely getting you this hair, child. Like, it's
Thank
proper.
you, Queen.
It's proper. It's proper.
It's amazing. It's beautiful.
All right, child. Thank you so much, child.
Pleasure.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. And by the way, guys, today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. We really do love collaborations on this channel, guys. As you all saw, my niece was as surprised as I was, because I am looking at myself and I'm like, cha, is this even a wig? Because it looks like my real hair. I am so happy. I'm so impressed. You can't see the lace, okay? You can't see the lace, cha. All right, so if you are loving this hair as much as I am loving it, please do check the description box for more information. And before we I can talk about Luvme Hair Company for the longest time, because I know that they sell really quality, and of course you can see that this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's bouncy. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. So let's not waste time. Let's get straight into today's video. So guys, I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. Can we just, bow down to Luvme Hair? When it comes to packaging, they are doing the most. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging. I love the purple and the gold. This is absolutely beautiful. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect, you guys. Look at that. The first thing that you're gonna get is this cute lovely note from Helena, the founder. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. And look at this. How gorgeous is this? This is proper packaging, you guys. When we talk about packaging, we talk about this. This is really proper. I really love this about Luvme Hair. The first thing that I got is this comb from them. They really give out the best exquisite gift, you guys. Like, I'm impressed with the gift. I got a scrunchie. I love these scrunches, and of course a girl can never have enough lashes. Their lashes are so beautiful. They are wispy. I love their lashes. I need to change my nails, you guys. Like, so I'm definitely going to try these stick-on nails from Luvme Hair. Hoop earrings, gold, my color. I am so excited to try these. Really beautiful. And of course a key holder. Oh, this is so beautiful, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Luvme Hair is doing the most, you guys. Like, when it comes to gifting, they are doing the most. And of course, this is the hair. Look at this. How cute is this? I am so excited. Oh my goodness. This is the hair. Let me take it out of here and show it to you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. First thing, before I show you everything, guys, the lace is so soft. The lace is invisible. This is, oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I love this hair. This lace is clearly invisible, you guys. Like, look at that. Look, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Can we get into the body wave? It is doing what it's supposed to do. Oh my goodness, I love. Look at this, guys. Look at how soft this hair is. Look at that, guys. They really sell quality. I'm so excited. This is, by the way, 20 inches body wave, and the hair is from one donor. Very important. Not from different donors or anything. The hair is from one donor. This is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, the texture is of good quality, and as you guys can see, the lace is absolutely pre-plucked. I think you guys can see it is pre-plucked, so this is definitely going to match my scalp. You guys can see. So let's put it on. I'm excited. Oh my goodness, they've got an extra strap, by the way. Extra strap, and they've got these two adjustable straps. That's a plus. So guys, I'm about to cut off this lace. As usual, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of the video. Please do not forget to check the description box if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, are you aware that I did not use any powder on this lace? Like, oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Luvme hair. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, this is beautiful.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you.
I mean, you all heard it from Manaso, guys. The lace is really, really invisible. Like, this is literally the best hair ever. Like, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm blushing. I'm blushing with the camera. I'm telling you, this hair is doing what it's supposed to do. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes, and please do check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig. Like, I'm looking at myself, I'm like, no, I deserve to go on a date. I feel like I'm gonna put on a dress and go on a proper date. Yeah, like, period. There is no way I'm washing off this wig, girls. There is no way I'm taking off this wig, child, because I look absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, that's the end of today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.